What's the very first thing people notice on the Padel court? Yep, the way you move. And the truth is, the right shoes can make a huge difference in how fast, stable, and confident you feel out there. This video is all about the best Padel shoes. I've lined up a mix of options that fit into a few different categories, so you can find something that matches what you're looking for. You'll find all the product links down in the description. If you enjoy this kind of content, you can hit like, subscribe, and tap the little bell so you don't miss future videos. And if you have any questions, or maybe want to share your own thoughts, just drop a comment. Let's get straight into the reviews. Adidas Crazy Quick Boost Padel Shoes. Best men's Padel shoes. If you're the type of player who's always on your toes and likes to push the pace, this shoe feels like it was built with that in mind. The first thing that stands out is the cushioning. That boost midsole gives every step a little spring, which makes it easier to keep moving during long matches. I've heard people joke that it almost feels like you've got a mini trampoline under your feet. The upper is lightweight, so you don't feel like you're dragging around extra weight, but at the same time, it still holds up for those sharp cuts and quick changes of direction. On top of that, the toe protection helps if you're the type who tends to scrape during slides or volleys. The outsole is built with high wear spots in mind, giving you traction on the court without feeling too sticky. That said, not everything is perfect. A few players mentioned the sole showing signs of wear earlier than expected, especially if you're sliding a lot. Comfort, though, gets plenty of positive feedback, so it seems like the trade-off is a smooth ride versus long-term toughness. This one lands in the premium price range, and it definitely looks the part with those bold color combos. Adidas Crazy Quick Light Strike Padel Shoes. Best women's Padel shoes. If speed and comfort are high on your list, this pair really shines. The first thing that grabs attention is how lightweight it feels. At just about a pound, it makes quick steps and sudden stops feel a lot easier. I always think of it like carrying a backpack. When it's light, you forget it's even there. The cushioning comes from Light Strike tech, which is made to feel responsive without weighing you down. That balance makes a difference in longer games, where you want something supportive but not bulky. The grip is handled by the rubber sole, giving you the traction needed for hard cuts across the Padel court. The design is sleek with that bright lemon and silver colorway, which definitely stands out. There's even another version with a white accent if you prefer something less bold. The lace-up closure keeps everything locked in, and the low-top build gives you a close-to-the-ground feel, so movements don't feel restricted. Now, one thing worth pointing out is that it isn't water-resistant, so wet conditions might be a little tricky. But for regular play, it checks most of the boxes. Sitting in the mid-range price bracket, it's a solid option for players who want lightweight comfort and style without going too premium. Nike Court Air Zoom Vapor 11. Best Nike Padel shoes. If you like shoes that feel quick right out of the box, this one really delivers. The low-cut build makes it easier to stay light on your feet, and the cushioning in the front of the shoe adds a nice bounce every time you push off. It almost feels like the shoe wants to move as fast as you do. The grip is handled with a herringbone outsole that's been designed to keep you steady without locking you down too much, so sliding into a shot feels natural. There's also a frame around the shoe that helps with stability when you're making sharp turns, which is something aggressive players will really appreciate. The mesh upper is reinforced, so it keeps things breathable while still giving you that extra support. I like the simple half-inner shoe design because it makes slipping them on or off feel way less like a workout. Style-wise, this one has plenty of color choices, from bright volt and white to darker shades if you want something more understated. There are a couple of things to keep in mind. Some players mention that the fit can run a bit small, both in length and width. That aside, it's a premium option built for speed, comfort, and performance on the court. ASICS Solution Speed FF3 Padel Shoes. Best ASICS Padel shoes. This one feels built for players who want both speed and support in the same package. The cushioning uses flight foam, which keeps it light underfoot without feeling too soft. Pair that with the moderate insole padding, and you get a shoe that's comfortable for long sets, but still responsive enough for quick bursts. One of the big standouts here is the Speed Truss feature, which helps with stability when you're pushing side to side. Anyone who's played Padel knows how much you end up shuffling and lunging, so that extra support really comes in handy. The outsole uses A++ rubber, which is made to hold up against a lot of court wear while keeping grip consistent. Design-wise, it's got a sleek, low-top cut and comes in some pretty bold colorways, like multicolored mixes or bright orange with safety yellow. Personally, I like that brands are making shoes that look as sharp as they feel. It's a lot more fun than just plain black and white. On the flip side, it's not water resistant, so a damp court could be a little tricky. And since this one sits in the premium price range, it's definitely an investment. But for players who want stability, grip, and lightweight speed, it checks those boxes well. Adidas Court Quick Padel Shoes. Best Padel shoes for beginners. If you're just getting into Padel and want a shoe that feels easy to wear without draining your wallet, this one makes a lot of sense. The first thing I noticed is how light it is, which really helps new players feel quicker and more confident moving side to side. The midsole uses cloud foam cushioning, so every step feels soft but still responsive when you push off. Support is handled with a sling frame structure that gives a bit of stability during quick transitions, which is a big plus if you're still figuring out footwork patterns. The outsole uses Adidas rubber, giving you traction that works across different surfaces. And the toe area is reinforced so you don't shred them too fast during serves or volleys. Comfort gets plenty of love from players, though a few mentioned that sizing can feel a little wide. If you usually go up half a size, you might not need to with these. There are also a couple of reviews pointing out some quality issues, but the general feedback is positive, especially for those starting out. This one sits in the budget to mid-range category, which is pretty friendly if you're still testing the waters with Padel and don't want to spend premium money just yet. Knox ML10 Hexa. Best Padel shoes for ankle support. If ankle support is something you really look for, this shoe does a great job covering that base. It's built with a special lateral support system that helps keep your foot steady during those quick side steps, which can make a big difference if you've ever felt your ankle roll a little too far midpoint. I think we've all had that moment where you lunge, lose balance, and suddenly wish you'd stretched more. This shoe helps take some of that worry away. The cushioning is generous, thanks to a Phylon midsole paired with EVA inserts that absorb impact and keep your legs from tiring out too quickly. Grip is another strong feature here, with a sole that mixes herringbone lines and small studs for reliable traction on the Padel court. The reinforced toe is a nice touch too, especially for players who drag their foot during serves or volleys. Another thing that stands out is that it's been developed with podiatrists and tested in labs, which gives it an edge in terms of injury prevention. Style-wise, the purple and charcoal colorway is bold without being over the top. This one falls in the mid-range price point and feels like it's aimed at players who want a mix of comfort, support, and durability, especially around the ankles. Finding the right pair really comes down to comfort, support, and how well the shoe matches your style of play. There's something out there for beginners, competitive players, and anyone in between. If you're interested in any of the shoes we covered, you'll find links waiting down in the description. Don't forget, if this video helped you out, give it a like, hit subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. Got questions? Or maybe your own thoughts on Padel shoes? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. And if you're looking for more gear breakdowns, check out our other videos too. Thanks for watching.